Universal flexible car trunk LED strip, flexible and durable, water resistant, easy to install and use. Professionally manufactured, the LED rear tail box is made of high-quality materials, which has stable performance and will not deform. High quality and durable, made of high-quality material, durable and practical to use. Beautiful and practical, very beautiful and practical. The LED lights on the front, back, decoration, or shops can be used as a modified accessory. Good breathability, good breathable design, waterproof and dustproof, high sensitivity, dependable to use. Protect your car. Use our LED lights as the bottom of them to fix your car and make it look slimmer. So first you have to locate the center point, and then you take some tape, and only that way you can hold it in place. I just taped it up so I can go ahead and start stick and peeling. If you can, use some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface so you can get rid of the oils and grease. And let's start to stick. I pull the tape as I press along.
IGTuning Miami.